Hey folks, back at it again. Episode 2 of the ASIN Daily Teardown, whatever you want to call it. We're giving you daily ASIN reviews every single day, all that kind of good stuff. Today, what do we have? We're looking at a umbrella, a patio umbrella. So let's get into it real quick. Hero image. I see an umbrella. I see color options. I don't know how big it is without going to the title. I don't know the value prop. I don't know. I need more. Now, the reason I say I need more is because when I go and I look at the SERP, a little bit of the Wild West out there, where I am seeing lifestyle images, upside down, you know, installed, not installed, top angle, all this kind of stuff. So, what does that mean to me? That means to me that you could be doing more with your main hero image by putting packaging on there, saying very clearly what it is, patio umbrella, showing the color swatches on the packaging, showing the sizing. Here's the thing. You have a ton of sizes. You have a 9 foot, and then you have a 9 foot. Well, that's weird. You have two 9 feet. Parentage needs to be fixed up there because that doesn't make any sense. And then this is a 2P 9 feet. That means a 2 pack, right? So you got to make the parentage a little bit clearer here because this is a monster parentage and super confusing. So I see 2P, I see combo, I see 10 feet. This needs to be cleaned up. But going back to 9 feet, this style over here. But actually, go to this one. You have two. Tell me clearly it's a 2 pack. Show me sizing. Show me other colors you have in this because there is other colors as well. So you have to make that a little bit more clear. Now, when we look at product parameter, what? We're customers. We're not manufacturing logistics people. Make that a little bit more casual, toned down for what I need to know. UV protection, sturdy frame. This is all features, no benefits. Why does any of this matter to me? So when we talk about sturdy and powder coated frame versus what? Is it not going to rust? It's not going to. What does that typically look like for someone that's not sturdy and powder coated? Tilting. Why is that important? Show me that. UV. Show me one that's faded. You're not showing me that. Air venting system. Facilitate the flow of air in the windy weather. Okay. Waterproof, easy to clean. I cannot imagine someone's using a beach umbrella. This patio umbrella on the beach. Cannot imagine that, especially if it's laid down flat like that. We say easy to clean. What does that mean? So again, yeah, talk really very clear. None of it is showing any people in here. No happy smiling faces. None of that kind of good stuff. You need to have that. Bullet points. Bullet points are okay. Base not included. You put that over here, but you also want to put that very clearly when you show the base. Base not included. Base not included. Make that clear because otherwise people, if they don't read this and then just look over here, they can get confused. No brand story module at all? Okay, brand story modules below. So it's not showing me anything besides deluxe, simple deluxe, and then umbrellas. Is that all you sell? That is all you sell, but make it clear. So what's the difference between patio umbrella series and patio umbrella series? And then patio umbrella series and we're just mix it up with some lifestyle photos inside here. Show people using it. Don't just show a catalog. Like it almost feels like a manufacturer. Like you can buy umbrellas from this and just resell myself. It's not until we get to the A plus content where we start to actually see this kind of stuff. So you don't see your brand at the top over here before we get into the A plus content. So this is a 9 feet patio umbrella. Is it 9 feet or 9 foot when we're seeing it in the size? Think about it. And then it's showing this here. Okay, so this is clearly the same photo. Yep, there's different colors. There's no point in doing that. This is a good photo. It's a lifestyle. But what's a lifestyle? People living their happy lives under there. That's great. Showing different kinds of people. Is this sticking out of a pool? It looks like it's sticking out of a pool. Be careful with that kind of stuff. This looks good. But all you're saying is ideal shade solution for your outdoor. For your outdoor what? But you're not talking about us versus them. You're not showing me what a cheap umbrella looks like in the wind and then the UV and the sun's beating down on it. You're not showing any of this stuff. And when it comes to helium 10, for example, let me pull up this ASIN. I want to do a little cerebro action over here, right? So I want to see exactly how many keywords you have sponsored, how many keywords you have organic, and just kind of get a little snapshot, a little Cerebro action. Anyone remember the guy Cerebro from the comics back in the 90s? Is that still a thing? Fetching the data. It's always when I'm updating something, it stays at like 98% for like 10 years. It's just a story now. There must be a lot of keywords. Willing to bet it's a lot of keywords for it to do this. Should have had this queued up beforehand. That's okay. A decent amount of keywords. So 1,800 total. Well, that doesn't add up. 1,900 organic, 438 paid. If I look over here, so umbrella, you're not ranking for umbrella. Beach umbrella, you rank for it, but I don't think this is a beach umbrella. This is not historically what I think is. This is a patio table umbrella. So you're paying to be a beach umbrella. I don't think that's really relevant. Patio umbrella, here we go. Organically too, but you're paying to be number 47. Why? Umbrella base, umbrella patio, umbrella outdoor patio. Organically number 3, but you're not paid for there for 36,000 views or searches, sorry. Outdoor umbrella. So you have some good performing ones, and then you have some stuff that's left. I say you like I'm talking to the actual brand. They have some good performing stuff, and they have some stuff that's being left at the table. Beach share with umbrella. Nope, that's not it. Patio umbrellas. So there's some good stuff down here, but be careful to understand what you are and what you're not. Just because you're an umbrella does not mean you're an umbrella. You take it everywhere. To the beach. I would not bring this umbrella to the beach. So anything that talks about beach umbrella, this is not it, because when I go to look for a beach umbrella, that's a beach umbrella. Much, much different, lighter, portable, different shape, different features, different top trick. Guys, if you like it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment below. We will see you tomorrow for the next ASIN review, ASIN teardown, whatever you want to call it. It's been fun. Peace.